Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the types of epithelial tissues. In previous video I have already taught about the meaning of epithelial tissues. Now in this video we are going to look on the types of epithelial tissues. Basically the epithelial tissues are subdivided or classified into three types. The first one is squamous tissue, the second one is cuboidal and the third one is columnar. Now this squamous epithelium is subdivided into two parts. First one is simple squamous and second one is stratified squamous. Now we will look after every and each part of the epithelium tissue. Now the first one is squamous epithelium. This means these tissues describe mainly the simple, or we can also say the simple squamous epithelium is mainly composed of a single layer of thin and flat cells. If we look at the diagram of this squamous epithelium, the cells are consist of very thin layer having a membrane, a base membrane. This is mainly a base membrane for the substance to enter inside the body or comes outside from the body. Now if you look at the examples of squamous epithelium, mainly where these squamous epithelium tissues are found, these are mainly found on the linings of our mouth and on the esophagus, basically the food pipe, in the lungs alveoli, and sometimes in the small blood vessels. Now if you observe your skin, mainly in your hand, the skins are mainly composed of multi-layered epithelium. The upper layer, that is the simple squamous epithelium, is consist of a thin cells. Now inside this simple squamous there are many stratified squamous tissues or epithelium are present. Now the skin are mainly composed or arranged in many layers to prevent it from wear and tear. Now these types of multi-layered epithelium is called the stratified squamous epithelium, and the upper layer is called the simple squamous epithelium. Now the second type, that is the cuboidal epithelium. What does it mean? It names look like the shape of the cell. Basically the name is cuboidal, that means it consists the cell like cube like cells. These are mainly present in the lining of the kidney tubules, mainly in the kidney and duct of some salivary gland that is in our tongue region. Now if you look at the diagram of this, the cells are basically in the shape of cube, and some special cuboidal cells form the surface of secretory gland and gland cells. This was about the cuboidal. Now the third one, that is the columnar epithelium. This columnar epithelium are mainly consist of columnar, or we can also say elongated cells are present, or another name is column like cells are present. Column like cells. These tissues are mainly found in the part where absorption occurs or secretion occurs. Mainly in the stomach, the food is secreted due to the formation of some gastric enzymes and juices. There the most number of absorption occurs and the secretions also occurs. That is why there are columnar epithelium are found. Now the remaining two part, that is the first one is ciliated columnar epithelium and the second one is ciliated cuboidal epithelium. We will discuss in the next video in brief. Till then, thanks for watching.